To your Caribou Data Science channel. Today is Thursday, August the 12th, 2021. A big shout out to the 8 people who viewed this video yesterday. I appreciate every single one of those 8 views, by the way. Before we get started, I have a few favors to ask. First of all, click on the subscribe button, subscribe to the Caribou Data Science channel today. Secondly, click on the like button, because as we see on the Caribou Data Science channel, 1 view equals 1 like. So I need your help to really increase the number of likes on this channel, okay, for this video series. Thirdly, and most important of all, click on the share button. Share this video on your Facebook and your Twitter accounts. Also copy and paste the link to this video into an email or text message and share it that way, okay? Let's get on with the show here then. Okay, you can see currently since January 2020, America's had 36.19 million cases, 618,479 cases. Now, I just want to point out something kind of curious here about the way COVID-19 is being tracked. Most diseases like cancer, heart disease are counted a year at a time. So every January 1st, the cancer deaths are reset back to 0. If for some reason we don't do that with COVID-19, okay, we don't do that. We don't do that with COVID-19. All right. What you can see here is this is a daily case for current year. Okay. You see we are starting to spike back up here in cases. Okay. What about deaths? Well, you can see we are seeing a slight increase in death, but look at this nice long declining pattern here. Okay, for this year. All right. 2020 versus 21 numbers. The pattern was clearly up. You can see here we're approaching some of these numbers back to here, which is not good. But look at this long declining pattern in COVID-19 cases. Now, of course, as you know, the COVID-19 vaccine doesn't keep you from getting COVID-19. It reduces the chance that you're going to die from COVID-19. Okay? That's really all it means. So anyway, you can come back over here. So this spike is a bit of a concern. Although no, it's a concern, but we don't want to become fixated on it. Okay, we don't obsess over these cases because the COVID-19 vaccine doesn't keep you from getting sick. So that means, in theory, that this number can go up, and cases or deaths can continue to go down. You can see this. You can see the pattern in 2020 was increasing deaths, while the pattern in 2020 for deaths was declining. Yes, we are seeing a bit of a spike over here. We'll check on that with the months. What's this here? Well, this is what we talked about before. 254,000 deaths. As of August 3rd, we were averaging 102,358 deaths per day. Cases or deaths. Here you can see an increase in that increase in cases. Okay. But deaths are still remaining fairly low. Deaths are below 5,000. Most of you have all this period here when they're below 2,500. So deaths in the U.S. are continuing to remain pretty low. Okay. Monthly cases. Well, this is a spike up from here. These numbers here are still lower than these two numbers over here. So you can still see a bit of a spike in cases. Deaths, but look at deaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 deaths. Right now, there's a chance that we could have 7 months in a row in the U.S. when COVID-19 deaths could decrease. Okay? Now, this is the number of people right now per 100,000 that have COVID-19. That number is right around about, on average, about 35 people of 100,000 have COVID-19. Now, this is the same thing. It's the number of people of 100,000 who've died from COVID-19. Well, that's 1/2 person, and this is 1/4 a person. So right now, for every 100,000 people, 1/4 of a person is dying from COVID-19. You can see there is a slight flattening, I won't say flattening, more like there is a slight angling of the curve here for cases, and still a slight angling of the curve for for we are seeing some flattening of the curve. Okay, I wonder how you would draw a line and say here up to there. Okay, so that does conclude your report today, America. Before I let you go, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Click the like button if you found this report helpful. Most important, don't forget to click the share button. Share this video on Facebook and Twitter. And you can also click copy and paste the link into an email or text message and share it that way also. Anyway, America, thanks so much for your time today. I'll be back tomorrow with an updated report.